Sisi. Hello there. Ayan, so kanina pa yan sila naghihintay yung mga kasama namin. Ayan, oh my God, look at the view. I love it. I'll visit here, very open. Oh, ayan, look at that. Hello, ayan, I'm so sorry we are late.
Oh my God.
You've been waiting for hours, aren't you? Ay. Ayan, so we are here at Lake Himdam na. Ayan, so yeah, let's go, let's enjoy the day. Ayan. Ayan, so it's spring today. Spring. Ayan.
Si Johnny, ano mo?
Daming dala, oh.
Ayan, so ayan, so tignan niyo sila, oh, may mga car doon, and then ay, say hello to my friend. Ayan, so meron po kong, it's Jan. Yes, ayan, say hi to Jan. I'm good.
Hi.
I'm good. I'm Lynn, Joey's sister.
Yes.
Hello,
Who's
so
this?
that's my daughter.
Is she?
Yeah, she's taller than me.
And pretty too. Oh, not as pretty.
Or the mother is pretty, so the daughter is pretty. Is
Is
it?
that how it works?
I think so. Ayan, so
You're not gonna have a swim. It's too cold.
oh, I will jump on the water later on, even though it's cold.
I'll watch.
Oh yeah, you should watch.
There he is.
Ayan. So ayan. Ayan, so sobrang ganda, sobrang happy ko kasi ayan, pumasyal kami dito sa may Wodonga, tapos pinasyal ako ng kapatid ko dito sa may Weir. Ayan, so even though the water is so cold, I'm gonna jump in the water later on. Ayan, so check natin yung mga kids. Ayan. Ayan, so pwede kang mag-boating dito, mag-jet ski. Ayan, hello Matthew! What do you want? Hello there! Hello Matthew! Sabi ng pamangkin ko, hello there!
Never mind, I'm not going to go for a swim. I don't
Yeah.
like the river.
You don't like the river?
No! It's nice.
Hello! How are you, baby? Yeah, just... What are you digging?
So he's gonna bury me.
Oh, okay, alright. Just enjoy there, okay? Bye! Ayan, so... Ay, apo ma! Oh! Ayan, so apo daw niya yung naan doon. Tapos yun, ay... Tapos yun, may masasakyan doon, papataas. Ayan, so alright. Thank you for watching mga kaswerte, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Ayan, so thank you.